Most people try to do more and more things. They think being busy means being productive, but that's not how it works. Now, imagine an iceberg in the ocean. You can only see the top part. That top part is like productivity. It's what everyone sees, but most of the iceberg is underwater. Now, there are three parts. First is the purpose. This is knowing why something matters. The second one, it's priority. This is choosing what is most important. And the third one is productivity. This is doing the work. If you don't know your purpose, you won't choose the right priority. If you don't choose your right priority, you'll stay busy but not make progress. The work you see on top, it's powered by what's hidden underneath. So if you feel messy or unfocused, don't just try to work harder. Ask yourself, why does this matter? What's the most important thing right now? Get those right, and the work gets easier.